today, May 2nd, 2022, and for the next 11 days we will be aboard Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas.
Hey Nomads, I'm Bill.
I'm Julie, and we're permanent nomads. We're about to take our lives on the road and slow travel the world.
We originally met online in 2009 while living 12,464 miles apart. In 2010, love brought us together where we met in person in Eagle River, Alaska and got married. In 2011, after leaving Alaska and being stationed in Maryland, we began taking short vacations to Mexico and the Dominican Republic. After retiring from the Army in 2013, we traveled further to Ireland, England, Netherlands, Germany, and France.
And then the travel bug got us, and we knew we wanted to explore more of the world and immerse ourselves in the cultures. So we marked a date on the calendar and we began to plan. Starting with this transatlantic cruise to Southampton, England, we will travel through Europe and share our experiences and our budget. This is our journey. We are excited to have you along with us.